Hello everybody, this is your Backend Buddy Pratik. So today we will learn about Variadic function in the Go programming language. So we will learn using some example like how we can use Variadic function. So let's begin. So first, in our Go programming, package main and import fmt is there, and like a func main is there. Now let's assume you want some function where you can add any number of values. So here we have added like 1 and 2, so it will give addition of this two number, which is 3. And if you add multiple argument like 3 argument 1 2 3, it will give addition of all these 3, and you can increase n number of things, so you don't know how many numbers will be there. Okay, so that type of things you want to implement, then how you can achieve? Otherwise you will require to add multiple function with the different parameters like 2 argument 3 argument. So if you want to do the dynamically, then Variadic function can be used here. So its signature will be like func, then add, then values, then 3 dot will be there, and integer values will be there. Okay, so inside internally it calculate as a slice of integer, so you have to add 3 dots here. Now inside we can write a logic like first we are printing here whatever values are coming from here, so 1 and 2 will be print here. Then we are applying the range for loop of this values, so whatever we are sending, so it will come 1 then 2, like 1 2 3 kind of that way, and we are doing the addition, and at the end we are printing its addition value. So 1 plus 2 will be 3 will be printed here. So same thing, like if we want to do for the slice of integer or some slicing, then Variadic function can be used for slices also. So if you see here, like values equal to like slice of int is there, where we are adding 1 2 3 4. So this is the slice of int variable is there. So if you want to pass into the Variadic function, then you have to add slice whatever variable name, then 3 dot will be passed here, and it will pass here as a slice of int into the Variadic function, which also contain the 3 dot here, and then it will work as it is, like we have seen, like addition of all that number. And if you check its output will be like this. So 1 2 and 3, so 1 2 will be 3, 1 2 3 6, and 1 2 3 4 will be 10. It will be there. Okay, now if we check deep dive into that in the Visual Studio Code, so if you hover here, if you see, this is the slice of int is there. Okay, and even this is slice of int is there, like we have already created, but internally that Variadic is using this slice of int. If it is int is there, if it is a different variable, then its slice of things will be there. So yeah, that is the main concept of the Variadic function. So I hope you understand it, and if you have any doubt, please write in the comment, and please don't forget to press on the bell icon, so you will get all the updates of the Go programming and the backend programming related stuff. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.